With the Lawnporn Charger only coming onto the scene late last year, it has quickly become one of the top sellers in the lawn porn range. Social media lit up with people claiming crazy amounts of growth, and has quickly become one of the fan favourites across Australia. As a standalone product, it has earned its place, but I've discovered a combination that supercharges this already great product. So today's video is going to show you how you can get crazy lateral growth and fill in any bare patch. Lawnporn Charger is specifically formulated to promote rapid growth, as well as enhance colour. With dual nitrogen sources along with potassium, it improves the stress tolerance within the plant. The nitrogen produces cell growth and the potassium strengthens the walls of the cells, hardening it to stresses such as disease and pest infestation. It also has the added benefit to assist with rapidly greening up the turf. At the start of spring, I started to look after this Santa Ana cooch that had been neglected for a number of years. It was riddled with winter grass and large patches of rye, and it was not looking good. After taking control of the unwanted grasses, we set out to improve the health of the soil and encourage the cooch to grow. Charger brought some great results, but we decided to take the lateral growth to a new level. Hence, we combined it with a PGR. Now, plant growth regulators in short stunt the vertical growth of a lawn. However, they also improve the uniformity and the health of the turf by providing a smooth, tight-knit cover that is better able to withstand stresses. This is achieved by increasing the lateral spread of the turf density, in addition to slowing the vertical growth of the grass. Now, this was really important given the growth from the Charger. We wanted to refocus this enthusiasm and send it laterally. The added benefit of PGR is that it enhances the playability of many surfaces and is a trade secret of many sporting field curators. So if you're going for that putting green look, it's an absolute must. Plus, it also gives you the added benefit of reducing clippings by around 50% or even more. The combination of PGR and Charger has delivered some amazing results. Okay, so how did I do it? Well, working to a ratio for 100 square meters, I used around 400 mils of the Charger along with about 9 mils of the Astro 120 ME growth regulator. This was done within 6 hours of mowing. This combination of promoting growth via the high nitrogen fertilizer and focus on lateral growth by the PGR has sent runners crazy, and they are now starting to fill in. You could use other combinations of high nitrogen fertilizers and PGRs, but these are the products that I went with, and I cannot complain. More importantly, my client is happier than I am. So if you're looking to close up some bare patches, I strongly recommend this combination. It works an absolute treat. If this video has been useful, why not like, share or subscribe for more helpful tips, or even check out some of my other videos and get the best lawn in the street. And remember, if you can't be grassed, get grass can.